Hi students, how are you? I am back. As you all know, I am Niti, your English teacher. How are you all at home? I hope you all are fine. Today, I am here to discuss with you about the poem Teamwork, that is of Unit 2. Do you know what is teamwork? I think you must have read the poem on the given link. You could have to come to know what exactly the poem is all about. The poem is all about teamwork. Teamwork means if we are doing to do something that we need to do work in a team. Nobody can do any work on their own alone. If you want to play a game, we want to play something, if you want to do something, we need a team. We need members, more members. We can't play alone. We can't play cricket alone. We can't play football alone. We can't sing alone. We need someone. We need someone to help it out. The same way nowadays, as you all know, corona virus is there, and everybody is doing work on it. And who are they? We are sitting at home safely. How? Because police, doctors, hawkers, they all are doing well for us. They are doing as a team. That is why I'm saying the teamwork means the spirit of the team. All right, team means a group of people, those who help each other. If someone in our school sometime we have a group activity, that means we all together, 4 5 students, 4 5 people, they all together come together and they work as a team. All right, now let's start with the team. As you all have read the poem, so let's start with the book exercise. Open your books at page number. Alright students, open your books at page number 22 of Marigold. Now look at the new words which we had given to you. You must have done in your notebooks. Then let's read. Alright, complete the following sentences. You need to complete the following sentences. Let's see how to do. If nobody passes the ball in a basketball game, then you can't what you can't. If nobody passes the ball, then you can't shoot. Yes, shoot. SHOOT, shoot. In a relay race, if no one passes the baton, then relay race can't go on. Relay race, you know relay race, na? If nobody passes the baton, then the relay race can't go on. Okay? Now let's coming to the next question. Think and write. As we are doing teamwork poem, so there are some facts about team members. What we need, how many members or what we need to become a team. What kind of members, in which kind of team we need. Name the team members needed for the following. To play cricket we need, and everybody please think about it. We need to play cricket, what we need? Batsmen, bowlers, fielders, coaches, right? And to make a film, what we need? We need directors, actors, actresses, viewers, okay, and many more. Then thereafter, to run a good school we need. Obviously now you can look at, this is your type of question. You must have known this thing. What you need? Principal, teachers, students, peons. These are this is known as team. We can't do anything. A teacher can't do anything if principal is not there, students are not there, peons are not there. A teacher can't do anything on the whole. All right. Thereafter, to run that restaurant we need. For a restaurant, you must. I think everybody has gone over there. In restaurants, we need manager, cook, waiters, customers. If there are no customers, then there is no need of restaurant. Then why we have opened the restaurant? Okay, so here we can say these are the, everybody works as a team. We can't do anything alone. We need team members. We need more people. Complete the following. Complete set of rhyming words. One has been done for you. Poem words for the poem. Team, beam. Rhyming words, rhyming words are those which gives the same sound. Rhyming words which gives the same sound. One has been done for you. Team, beam, plus, bus, done. Rest you will do yourself. Don't look at this whether we have given you this answer, so you need to do it yourself. It's for your practice purpose, bache. Now read the poem. Now you have to read the poem. For want of a nail. This is just like a poem. For want of a nail, the shoe was lost. For want of a shoes, the horse was lost. For want of a horse, the rider was lost. For want of a rider, the battle was lost. For want of a battle, the kingdom was lost. And for all the want of a shoe nail, and everybody wants shoe nail. It's just like a poem. You need to frame what you need to do. You need to frame questions from the answers. Now, from questions for the following answers given in the speech bubbles, the shoe was lost because of the nail. Shoe was lost. How? Why? Because the nail was lost. So over here, because matlab why? Reason is there. So why? What is the reason? The question starts from why. Why was the shoe lost? Because he had given written or given because matlab the reason. The question starts from why. Okay. Then thereafter, the kingdom was lost because the battle could not be fought. Alright. Over here the reason was there. That is because the reason was there. Reason is here, sorry. Why was the kingdom lost is the question. The battle was lost because there was no rider. The battle was lost because there was no rider. No rider was there. They had lost the battle. So reason is there. The question starts from why was the battle lost. Okay. Got my point? Got bache? Okay. Now open your next page. Now make 3 more questions and answers from the poem Teamwork. Now you can make your own. I had given some questions. I think I'll just give one clue. Then you have to do your own. Not big enough, na? How can we make our dream work? How can we make our dream work? Everybody is having dream. One dream is everybody is having. So how could we make our dream true? We can make our dream work true by working together. If we work together, then we can make our dream true. We can't make our dream true by himself or herself. No individual can make his or her dream work true, because we need people. We can't do anything on our own. Like picture composition, it's a very fun like thing. I will give you only one example. You can look at the picture and answer the question in one sentence using the word clues given in the box. You have to do. It's just a fun activity. It's just for your The first question is, who is laying the bricks? Who is laying the bricks? Who is laying the bricks? Over here, who is laying the bricks? We say this person who lays the bricks, that is mason. M-A-S-O-N. Mason is laying the bricks. One thing I just want to tell you, you do it yourself. Don't look at the book. Don't look at the answers. Well, what answers are given? You do it yourself. This is just for practice purpose. Then thereafter you check whether you have written right or wrong. Okay. Alright, now let's talk in groups of 5. Discuss what you enjoy doing alone and what you like to do in group. Everybody is having their own likings and dislikings, but I just give you some examples. You look at it. Rest, if you want to change it, you can change according to your taste. Things I like doing alone: drawing, reading books, writing stories, and painting. Yes, obviously we can do it alone. Solving puzzles, we can't solve puzzles on our own. Alone, we need someone. Playing games, we can't play games, okay, on our own. Going in on trips or swimming. These are some things. It is up to you, but it's up to you. You can change according to your likings. All right. I just given you some examples or some clues, bache. Now second question is, in your family, what activities are done individually and as a group? Individually as a group, or what activities you've done? What does your mother do? Mother decides which dishes to cook. Alright, next is my father decides what your father decides, whether everything about his job and money, how to earn money and all. or what I decide, what you decide, that is up to you, because you are learning or you are a student. What you decide, what to study and when to study, what to study and when to study, we decide. Next question, what we, yes, here it comes as a group activity, group work. What we decide, where to go in holidays. This is a basic thing. Yes, everybody, we can't decide on our own alone, we need group. Okay, we means we all. Third question, you will skip third question right now. We'll do, let's see, let's write. I will not show you the puzzle, I will only show you the question. In the puzzle, find the words given in the column. Notice that these words are formed by joining two words. One is done for you. These are the words. Alright, these are the words. You have to find these words from the given puzzle and do it yourself. One has been done for you. Please don't look at the book or don't like the work where we will do it. Now second question, let's write a poem. Please cut this question. No need to do it. It's just like a poem. It's up to you. You want to write or not. It's a fun poem. Then after fun time, make groups of 10 and present one of the following activities in class. So that we'll do in the class. We'll have time. Say aloud. We say aloud. We sometimes use short forms for some words. For example, we use I am, I apostrophe s am, or for I have. These shortened words are known as contractions. There is a apostrophe s over where there is a apostrophe s. It comes. We can say it's a contractions. Contractions. That means apostrophe s. It shows we will. The mark apostrophe is in which shows where the letters are left out, where we need to leave. If we leave the letter, then we'll come to know what we need to put in it and what is the actual meaning of this. We will, you can look at the things, look at the words, write the contractions for the following phrases. This has been done for you. It's better if you do it yourself, because if you do it yourself, then you can check whether you have written right or wrong. If you do it, you will come to know about your mistakes. So it's my wish you do it yourself. According to me, rest is up to you, bache. I have done for you. Okay, and I hope you all understand the chapter, the work. So we'll meet soon with the next chapter, the next one. All right, do it in a good handwriting. Or please, I had seen some students' books. They have done work on books with pens. No, bete, do it with pencil. Okay. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.